What's poppin', y'all? I'm back. So, we're gonna jump right into the video. I'm going ahead and cutting the cap, getting it ready for the glue, the adhesive. So, y'all, with today's video, I'm actually trying to know adhesive in this bow hole. So, I ain't never been that big fan of bow hole because my clients used to break out to it and their skin used to. Maybe I was using it wrong. Maybe I need to start using skin protector. I don't know, but lately I've been liking the consistency of it. It's very thick and it has a very, very good hold. So I've been just loving bow hole. So that's where I'm at in life. So we transitioned into bow hole. I still love Ghost Barn, but you know, something new. It's never too late in life to try new things. So I just went to clean her skin. I'm going to prep that wig behind the camera, y'all. Going to get the makeup ready, get to match her skin tone, sealing that makeup in. So I basically want to show y'all how I applied these about 4 layers of glue. That's what I did, but off camera I did a couple more. But y'all see my mouth swab working, just working, just work. I'm just playing, y'all, but my swab, I love my mouth swab, so it just makes it so easy. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the excess glue. Y'all see that little glue I just got that don't need to be about closest to her damn eye. Go ahead and spraying it and cleaning it on up. Yes, y'all, this is Shamaya. Y'all see Shamaya a lot because I love me some Shamaya. I don't know why her little peanut head so easy to do. Y'all, she will not get mad that I call her peanut head, so don't be in the comments killing me. Just watch me work. But yes, go and apply them layers. And I like to smooth it out so it can dry very, very clear. So when I do apply the wig, it does just melt right in with the glue. That's the purpose of the melt. So I go ahead and apply my layer, get it as thin as possible, wide enough to last. Make sure that the wig stay on for about a good 3 to 4 weeks. So there we go. Go ahead and lay it right on in. Yes, right on in. It look thick, y'all. Don't it look kind of weird? Like back in the day, that's my auntie Shirley wig, too much hair on the hairline, but it really wasn't. I don't like to pluck too much so it look like the hairline just all gone. Because over time, if they keep using that wig, you're going to still have to pluck it some more if it get older. So I think it still turned out pretty good, even though the hairline do look a little thick. But watch me work. I'm going to lay it. You won't even tell. Right now, I'm just going ahead and sealing on that glue in with that comb. Combing it on in. Getting every side I need to get in. Comb right on in with that blow dryer. On a high heat and setting, so I got it on hot, so you know I don't try to keep it on that long. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the ear tabs out because you want your customer ears to breathe. Y'all, right now I'm just applying the wax, going and hot combed in. But one thing about them ear tabs, y'all, I need to do a more in-depth video. If that lace is on your client's ear or your ear and it rubs against the top part and that lace, sometimes lace be thick, very thick, not thin. So if it does sit on there long enough, it will cut into your ear. And I don't care what nobody say. It will really leave a deep cut. You cannot let that lace rub against your ear like that. It's not healthy for the skin. I'm going to go ahead and cut that side out. I'm going to go ahead on the other side and cut it out. And it just needed a little glue on the corners, which is always, y'all. We always got to put a little extra adhesive on the corners. So I'm going to cut it out, use my mouth swabs just to spread that glue out. Blow dry it, comb it in, and seal it right on in. So I'm about to go ahead and put the milk belt on her. Off camera, go ahead and sew down the back of her wig. I do go ahead and part out a line in the back and sew down the back of the wig to make sure it is secure in place. And if it does lift, the wig doesn't come off your head, just slip right off. I like to make sure my clients have security, so I sew it down in 2 spots in the back just to make sure it lasts. And Boom. It's sold in, y'all. Ready to go. Go ahead and comb her out. And I'm just going to go ahead and take the milk belt off, cut off her lace, section it out in 3 parts, cut it off, section those baby hairs out, and get ready to lay her up under the dryer to go ahead and melt that lace into her skin. And I like to show y'all my way of making it look, just more like her hair. And she like a full hairline, so we just go ahead and make it look more like her hair. Because her real hair is thick up under here, y'all. Very thick. So right here, y'all, I'm just sectioning out her baby hairs and getting them ready to be go ahead. I say y'all a lot, y'all. I'm sorry, I'm from Florida and we is low-key country, but not country, and I cannot help the y'all in the arms. I'm gonna work on it though, for real. But I'm sectioning out her baby hairs, getting ready to go ahead and melt them in her skin. As you can tell, that hairline is already melted. Yes, but I like to go in, just apply a little bit more the Ruby Kisses foundations to the hairline, because just like any spot that I did miss when I'm, was selling the makeup, I can go ahead and seal now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. And I really could skip this step. It's just something that I'm used to doing, so I just do it. And I'm using even wax stick, y'all. So let me do it's mango scented. It's even, but let me do my little review on it. It's not thick enough and it's real greasy. It's just oily, greasy. I don't know. It's it has a good shine, but it ain't She Bomb. Or I use another one. I don't know what it's called. Easy Edges or something. But it's white orange. It comes from my local beauty supply store. But She Bomb is really my favorite. Their wax stick. But I'm working with what I got today, y'all. But y'all gonna see me transition to the other wax stick because I really did not care for that. Sectioning out the back. As y'all can't see, I need to really get me a cameraman because I suck. But I'm sectioning out the back, going ahead and use my other wax stick. And I sprayed a little Tresemme. I don't know about the Tresemme, but every time I do a little wax and a little Tresemme, a little 1-2-1-2, it lays down really flat, really good. So Tresemme and the Purple Can Level Number 5 is my go-to. I love Tresemme. So she's actually getting two braids today, y'all. 2 braids, and I'm going to go ahead and seal in those edges. That's why I parted it, went down the middle and parted it. And went ahead and put that got to be on and sealed it in. I'm going to put that melt back on. And she's going to sit under the dryer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Just go ahead and lock in that lace. It should be from up in the dryer and ready to go in just a couple minutes. So she's from up under that dryer and ready to go. Finna get ready to lay them baby hairs. Baby hair is my favorite part. So right before the baby hairs, we're gonna pluck out this part a little bit, make it a little wider. So when I go ahead and correct it, it'll be laid. And hot comb, I don't know if y'all, this is my Andy's plug-in hot comb. I did get off Amazon. Where I'm from, in Polk County, Florida, they do sell it at Walmart, but they may sell it at Walmart in the city, but I think a Walmart down here is about no more than $25. On Amazon, it's about the same price. So it is worth it because it really gets very, very hot, and it really helps melt the hair and that lace in together. So now I'm going ahead and cutting those baby hairs very short with my eyebrow razor, or your razor, whatever you want to call it, y'all. It's eyebrow razor, but it worked for them edges. So I'm going to go ahead and lay them down. And the gel, I like to use gel for my edges. I like to use gel and Nairobi. I use both as a combination. First, I go ahead and put in the She Balm Slick and Slay gel. Go to lather it up. And I go on with Nairobi foam lotion and put it on there. So it can help guide and make the edges softer when I'm laying it, but it still make them firm when I put them back up under the dryer. And I like, my clients are rough, so I try to do what works for them and what lasts for them. The soft edges are pretty, but in all reality, no one can keep up with them. Those don't last, very long. So I try to give my clients maybe some edges that are lasting about the 1 to 2 weeks. And these last for about a good week or two, depending on how you take care of it. But if you do to wrap up your hair and take care of it, it'll last about a good 2 weeks. So I'm going to go ahead and lay those edges. Ooh, I like to do a C-like motion. So y'all got to do edges. That's what's best for y'all. I can't sit here and tell y'all. I can show y'all the way I do it, but it's hard to recreate somebody's edges and try to do it their way. You always have to find a way to do it yourself, but you could copy other people's techniques in the process because that's what I've learned with hair. It's just your own technique. You flow the way you flow, and you just go with the flow, and that's how you're able to, achieve the looks that you're looking for because no one does hair the same. So I'm going ahead and laying them and swooping them into that hairline. And if you feel like your edge is getting dry, just get a little bit more Nairobi, spruce it up, and lay it on in. It's that simple. It's not that simple, but it's pretty much, once you start doing it, it becomes repetitive, so you kind of know what you're doing with your eyes closed. So I'm just combing those little furry hairs right back into the hairline, getting it ready to go. I'm going to put it back up on the dryer. I like to put it back on the dryer for a good 5 minutes, let it dry, and go ahead and take that paper off and finish the end. So just a little bit more Tresemme. I use oil at a distance so the wax paper don't stick to it. So that's why y'all see me spray that little bit. That's hair mist, not really like heavy oil. So boom, black strip. So y'all don't gotta waste your black strips. Do a black strip and then put your melt belt back over it. So you save time and you save product, and it's just easier that way. It melts right on in. She's up from up on the dryer. Going to take that melt belt and that paper off, and I'm gonna show y'all these edges. Yes. So y'all see me cutting that black paper off. And you gotta peel it off, cause honey, it's gonna come off, but baby, do y'all see them edges? Melt it right on with the skin. They ain't going nowhere. There's a laid. I'm about to go on with the wax stick, and I like to lift the hair up and go against it. See, boom. So I can get in between that hairline and just get it all laid in before I go ahead and do these braids for her. Now, my braids ain't the cutest, but they cute. My clients like my little braids, so that's all that matters. So, whatever, they cute. But for real, y'all, I go ahead and lay it in with a wax stick. Spray a little oil, light mist oil. I gotta show y'all, it's like Giovanni oil I use off Amazon. Amazon is my best friend. And I just use that oil to go ahead and get the hair soft, but the wax give it a little hold so those braids hold in place. And I'm going to clip her hair out the way and go ahead and get those braids done. So if y'all watching me do that braiding is kind of hard when you first learn it, but look, if y'all see me, So basically, I got 3 parts. I'm pulling as I go. Just think about plaiting. Think about it as you plaiting, but you adding hair on in it. So just pull hair as you go and you creating a braid. Well, that's how I learned. It may be hard if I say it in that way, but that's the way I learned. And it really has helped me over the years. Because when I first started sewing, y'all, I used to do flat twists and try to sew over them, and it was just a no-go. Don't laugh at me, but I know how to braid now, a little something, something. So it actually looked kind of cute. So these 2 little braids look like the 2 French braids. And I'm going to tie a rubber band up under the bottom, up under her hairline. Go ahead and press it out. And she's basically done. I just got to clean that part up with some black spray, make sure it's sealed in. And she ready to go. It's her birthday, and she gonna be cute. My girl got a modeling shoot this weekend, and our photo shoot. She's actually one of my models, and I'm so ready. I'm so ready to show y'all everything that I have in store. See y'all. Look at my look. Can't see nothing. I need a cameraman, but yes, I'm so ready to show y'all everything I have in store for Tasia House of Beauty, and I hope y'all continue to watch me and subscribe and like and comment, because I'm ready just to show y'all how I learned, which was YouTube. YouTube was my foundation to help me grow. So I just want to show people how I learned YouTube. So just, subscribe and keep up with me, y'all. I'm going to try to keep up my videos. I be so busy, but I'm going to try to keep up. And y'all just watch how I clean up this part. I'm just getting excess like gel and stuff off her forehead real quick. Before I go ahead and, this is like melting in the scalp, honey. But this is the part that I love the most. Yes. Oof. Yes, no ashiness. Spray it with a little hair mist. And she is ready to go. Girl, yeah. What? Y'all see that hair? Silky. Yes. Happy birthday, Shamaya. Thank you for letting me style you, boo. Subscribe, like, and comment.